Menteri Rymbai ka jela u Konrad ki sangma ha ka pratrik no pra ula penlong ya ka jingalang bishar kam ha ka bayadai ber ki scheme sam kum ka functional household tap connections FHTC but Rymbai Greater Water Supply Scheme RGWSS wala pentreikam da ka PHE Electrical Subdivision Rymbai na kalyang ki officer ki lapan sngoru e ki jing e ki bakum ka subdivision ka yakendo bat pen pau ru sha Menteri Rymbai halor ka jingya jungi kam bat ka por balabu pen pendap ya ki scheme ba per jong ka tanat hapo athan ki officer ki lapan pau ru ya ka jingdon kam bandan ya ka PHE division ha East Giant Hills District khanang ban la ban pentre kam bha bat ban bishar bania ya ki scheme Menteri Rymbai ula batha ru ek officer ban penthikna halor ka jingtreikam ki FHTC habaro ki Anganwadi Center bat ki school bat banjur halor ka jingdon kam ya ka jinga trilang jong ki nong shong shnong lingba ki jingpyntreikam ba bat ki jinga shimbenta jong ki nong shong shnong na ka benta ki jingpyntreikam ki bajob ya ki scheme ba per ka PHE Ula ongru bakat ba ki jingpentre ya ki kampen roy ki dangya shakmat da ki tanat per kalong ke bakong san ban pentikna bagi telong ki deben yo e ka jinga da kenang bagi kampen roy kin penthut ne kata ya ki telong na ka benta ki scheme ba per ka PHE
I am here on behalf of our Dorbarsnong Rymbai village as a whole. I'm very grateful to you, sir, for you have done to our village. During your first visit on the 26th May 2018, when you became the Chief Minister of our state, we have submitted 3 memorandum for the 3 projects. That is road, school building, and also main thing is to revise the sanction of greater water supply schemes. And all these 3 projects, you were fulfilled 100%, sir. You have seen by your own eyes the needs of our demand is very genuine and justified. And second memorandum we have submitted to you on 16 October 2020 regarding the creation of Office of PHE Electrical Division here at Rymbai. This one is still pending, sir. Therefore, we are submitting it to you again today for your kind consideration and necessary action from your end.
We have to keep some things pending, na?
Yes.
Otherwise, you will forget me.
Yes, sir.
And you won't call me to Rymbai. That's why we keep some things pending.
Then 2 of these sources, namely Pepe and Syllad spring, provides water supply to around more than 56 villages, which gathers almost more than 8,500 households connection for both constituency, for Khiriat constituency and Sutnga constituency also. Yes, sir, as you have mentioned about the protection just now. So these 2 spring sources, namely Pepe and Syllad, and its adjoining areas from our village Durbar, we are very glad to inform you, sir, we have donated about 7 hectares of the land, donated generously to the government of Meghalaya PHE department. It means
It's a catchment area.
yeah, catchment area, to protection, just protection for these 2 water sources, sir.
So in that case, you should work. I hope you're working with yeah, you are, na?
Yes.
Soil conservation,
Yes.
as well as you should work with MBDA also,
Yes.
and also with forest if necessary. So, in fact, there's a council called the Climate Council, which is chaired by Chief Minister. You should put up the proposal there because the money is there in multiple departments. So we can take up money from, so soil has got limited budget. But if you bring it to the Climate Council, which I had, then I have got close to, 7-8 departments under that. And I then direct each department be able to protect here 15 crores, 20 crores, 50 crores, like that. So we've got sufficient funds. So if you can write to, Emily can write to me, you can prepare a note for him.
And apart the land which you have donated generously to the source So we have within the bars now of Rymbai village, sir. We have been donated generously to the government of Meghalaya PhD department for this office building around 8 acres of land, where the office of this SDO PhD electrical subdivision were built on this beautiful place. So we call it Pam Sindasa, the name of the area of this locality. And it is located at this land is just about 4.5 kilometers from our district headquarters, from the office of the Deputy Commissioner. So sir, Pepe, one day it was under suspension. You all know about it, one day it was under suspension. But when you became the Chief Minister in 2018, you and Sir Kermentela, you have been visited personally to the site, to the source itself. And within what happened, within a few months, you have issued sanction for the revised estimate, sir. For the revised estimate. So, I will not take much of time before I will conclude. Me as the church leader, sir, I remember like Daniel, he prayed 3 times a day to God. Me, I'll start from today evening itself. I'll pray for you, sir. As the village as a whole, we will pray for you. One thing, that God will give you a good health. Number 2 is wisdom. Number 3, that your government will be in a good financial position. And we expect, sir, in the next financial year, through the support of Sir Kermentela and Madam Santamiri Syllad, she is not here with us, and also into your dynamic leadership, that the light of the day will be hampered, that the electrical division here at Rymbai will be inaugurated soon. And no doubt, sir, Rymbai village as a whole, or more than 56 villages who are the beneficiary of the scheme, will be benefited from the scheme. We will pray for you that no doubt, again in the year 2028, again you will become the Chief Minister. I'll pray for you, sir. So, with these few words, may God bless you, sir, and all of us who are here. Thank you.
I keep telling Emily also that what I like about this whole area, my area, is the kind of unity that the people here always come together when some important issues are there and work out a solution. So that's what it encourages me to set an example. So you're giving a very good example by giving the land here, giving the catchment area. So these are very good examples for the rest of the communities and villages in the rest of the state.
We have donated the land more than we expect, sir.
Exactly. That's what. Thank you so much. Yeah, really. So thank you so much.
Thank you, sir.
We'll definitely look into this.
Yes, sir.
MLA and myself, we'll work on this. We'll take this forward. Okay.